Dawat-e-Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh-e-Tariqat, Amir-e-Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, says on page 321, with reference of Ma Sabata Minas Sunnah, Sayyiduna Shaykh Abdul Haq Muhaddis Delvi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi says, indeed, the night of the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam exceeds in reverence over even Laylatul Qadr, which is one of the nights gifted to the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam. In fact, the night whose reverence lies in the advent of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam is more sacred than the night whose reverence lies in the arrival of the angels.
Congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi. Congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi. To the lovers of Mustafa, Eid Miladun-Nabi.